Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to get a $500K loan. First, you need to understand the essential requirements for securing a substantial loan. Preparing your financial documents thoroughly is a critical step before you even apply. Knowing your current credit score is also crucial, as it significantly impacts your loan eligibility and interest rates. We'll cover these foundational elements to set you up for success. Lenders evaluate several key factors when considering a $500,000 loan. A strong credit score, often above 700, is highly beneficial for securing favorable terms. You'll also need to demonstrate a stable income and a low debt-to-income ratio, ideally below 36%. Furthermore, having significant assets, like real estate or investments, can greatly strengthen your application and provide additional security for the lender. When seeking a $500,000 loan, several types might suit your needs. Mortgages are the most common for real estate purchases, whether for a home or investment property. Business loans can provide substantial capital for expansion, equipment, or large operational costs. While less common, a personal loan of this size might be available through specific lenders, often requiring excellent credit and significant collateral. The application process for a $500,000 loan involves gathering all your required financial statements, tax returns, and identification. It's wise to compare offers from multiple lenders to ensure you find the best interest rates and terms for your situation. Be prepared to answer detailed questions about your financial history and future plans. Also, for other great deals, and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below. A well-prepared application increases your chances of approval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.